Hi guys, just coming to the end of the day here. I'm in the warehouse and we spent the day going through the sub-assembly of the bike. So the assembly of all the different parts of the bike that will then be sent off to the assembly factory. So yeah, let me show you what we've been up to. We've basically been going through all of the components for the bike and sorting them out into the different areas, the different sub-assemblies of the bike. So for instance here we've got all the parts related to the hinges. So we've got all the various little metal parts for the hinges. We've got all the screws and stuff. Down here we've got stuff related to the rear swing arms. So these are all the suspension components. Got all the bearings here for the rear swing arms. And here, yeah, got various bits for that's the little spring in the latch there. And here are all parts related to, so that's the front frame. These are more parts for the rear swing arm here. And yeah, just sorting it out, so matching up all the various screws to the various different parts. And by doing this, we can then quickly assemble the sub-assemblies. So for instance, this is the front main frame and the rear swing arm sub-assembly. So this here is what will actually go to the assembly factory. And we've also got a similar sub-assembly for the front, which is this one here. So today I've just been taking people through how to put these together, all the kind of important QC points, so what to pay attention to when assembling, which bits need thread lock. So this is what will go, a painted version of this is what will go to the assembly factory. So one of the reasons why we're doing some of the assembly here in the warehouse, which is pretty unusual, is just because the assembly factories at the moment are absolutely rammed. They've had so many new orders coming in because of the whole COVID cycling boom. So by doing some of the assembly here, it means that I can keep a close eye on it because I'll personally be here to oversee it. But it also means that we can speed up the whole process because we can do all the tricky little bits here, and then when it goes off to the assembly factory, it's a much simpler and quicker job. So yeah, just at the moment trying to get it all set up so that we can go through the whole process really quickly.